Hi folks, my name is Ken.Quick. I'm a retired teacher and coach from Idaho. People call me coach here, so when you call in, just ask for the coach, you'll get to me. My number is 208-250-8625. Today it's my pleasure to show you this 2017 Winnebago Vista 27N full body paint coach. Let's go inside and take a look around. Nice bedroom, a lot of storage. Over here we have a huge deep closet. This is actually a slide. It goes all the way back in there on both sides. Lots of room for your clothes. Nice bed area. Look at all these drawers over on this side. You know, for a short coach, this is a great floor plan. Got your TV right here that'll swing out. And then right here as we move toward the front, lots of storage. Two-door refrigerator. See what we got in there. Yep, got the freezer right up above. Over here we've got a nice bathroom. Lots of room in it. Big shower. These rounded showers got a lot of elbow room. Okay, nice, and this is a clean coach. This one just got here. Okay, microwave convection, 3-burner cooktop. More drawers. This coach is loaded with storage. Got room for a garbage can under here. Nice window for some natural light. Double sinks. Big TV up front. We've got a nice dinette. One thing I like about what Winnebago does here, extra storage, and there's no piece of plywood to mess with. You just lift up the cushion and there it is. You got all that storage. Up front here we've got drop-down bed in case you take somebody with you. This also turns into a bed here. Okay, this is all electric, just push a button. Auto leveling on this coach. This flips over and creates a desk. Very nice for the co-pilot. These Class A's are awesome. You can see everything. Nice plush sheets. Winnebago does a great job. Let's go outside and take a look at the storage. TV right here. Outside TV, always nice to have. Got storage in all these compartments. Storage goes all the way across if you have long items, taking things with you like skis or fishing poles. Okay, more storage here. There's a water tank. Okay, got a generator going, so take a look at all this storage in here. Look at that. That's amazing how much storage we've got. Okay, gonna get a little noisy. More access to that storage in the back. Backup camera, all ready to tow. 3 ways to get into all that storage in the back of this coach. Tremendous storage for a 27-foot coach. Okay, here's your generator making all the noise. Onan 4000. Okay, here's our clean out bay. 30 amp coach, outdoor shower, sewer clean out. Okay, dump station. Toppers on the slides. More storage here. Okay, right here is access to the propane. Easy, drive up, they fill it. Okay, as we move forward. Up here on the mirrors, I like what they do, it's up above. Keeps it clean. There's your side cameras when you put your signal on. What a great little coach. If you've got questions about this 27N, the 17, make you a great deal on this coach. If you got questions about this one or any other coach, give the coach a call, 208-250-8625. Have a great day.